Hello guys, so in this video we are gonna find out the power series representation of this function. So here gx is given, that is 2 divided by x minus 3. So to convert this function into the power series, we will use the sum of infinite geometric sum. Like we know that 1 plus x square plus x cube plus that up to infinite terms is 1 divided by 1 minus x if and only if mod x is less than 1. Means if the interval of convergence of the given series belongs to -1 to 1, then this series will converge. So to write this series in the summation form, we can write it as 1 plus x square plus x cube plus that up to infinite sigma n is equal to 0 to infinite, and this will be written as x to the power n. So this is the simple series, and this formula we have to memorize so that we can solve the questions in exam. So here this is a divided by 1 minus x, this is kind of series. So to convert this series, first of all we have to take 3 common from this gx function. So from gx we can write it as 2 divided by 3 and 1 divided by 1 minus x by 3. We can write it as this. So now here we have to replace the term x by 3 in the summation series. So in the summation series, if we will replace this, 1 x will be replaced by x by 3, then here also in the right hand side the x will be replaced by x by 3 to the power n. Now this term we have used here. Now if we will multiply 2 by 3 both sides, like 2 divided by 3 1 minus x divided by 3. So here if we will multiply this summation by 2 by 3 again, and this term will be x divided by 3 to the power n. After solving this, we will get the power series representation of the gx function. So it will be 2 multiplied by x divided by n divided by 3 to the power n plus 1. So this is the power series representation of the gx. And if we will talk about the radius of convergence or an interval of convergence, then we know that from here, that is mod x is less than 1. So if we will replace x divided by x by 3 and mod is less than 1, after solving the inequality, what we will get? We will get x ranges from -3 to 3. So this will be the interval of convergence. And to find the radius of convergence, so we can divide the final limit minus initial limit by 2, so it will be 3. So radius of convergence will be 3, interval of convergence belongs from -3 to 3, open interval, and this is the power series representation of this function. So we have got the answer, and if you would like to ask any more question related to the power series or the sequence and series concept, so you can write down your doubts in comment section below, or you can post them on our website. Thank you very much.